Hey, Rich.
Hey.
Hey, what do you think people would be surprised to learn about Cardinal?
Well, I think one thing they'd be surprised to learn is that when they get cited by OSHA, that they don't have to go in there by themselves, that we can actually represent them. And that in fact, we've actually represented over 50 clients with OSHA. We'll take over the case for them. We'll go into the informal conference. We'll do the negotiations with OSHA. And we'll kind of walk them through the whole process so that they don't have to worry about it and kind of make it a little bit easier on them.
I think they'd be surprised to learn that we are not 9 to 5. We are anytime the client needs us, whether it be late at night, early in the morning, whatever their needs are, whatever time they need us, we're going to be there.
Something they'd be surprised to learn is that we do site inspections, and we also develop safety programs and help with the implementation of them.
Help them install health and safety management systems, which are systems that give companies the ability to excel in worker protection.
We can actually provide supplemental staff or even provide your safety staffing, whether it be in a manufacturing facility or on a construction project.
We do more than just work in factories and construction sites. We've worked on military bases, we do a lot of government contracts, we've worked in hospitals, just basically anywhere we're needed, we'll go.
We help companies design and install exhaust ventilation systems to help lower exposures in the workplace.
It's always about the people, and something that I think is really unique is that doesn't just trickle down to our clients, it goes for us as well. We know that if people are putting too much at work, their safety choices can decrease, having a good work-life balance so that we're always working safely as well. I think that's awesome that we send that message to our people and we live that. We're promoted to live that.
Just our staff, the people here in general, we have about, I think, over like 150 years of combined experience. So no matter what you're getting into with Cardinal, we have an expert for it.
You can't go wrong.
No, you can't.
All right, thanks. I'll let you get back to work.
Thanks.